Could you imagine turning a simple chatbot into a lucrative money-making machine? There are two mystery tools that can transform ChatGPT into something beyond just conversations. These tools hold the key to monetizing this AI in ways you might not have considered. Stay tuned as we unravel these mystery tools and how to use them, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be updated on other innovative strategies exclusive here at Pivot Online. The AI element. To begin your journey into the world of ChatGPT's potential for generating income, head over to chat.openai.com. Upon signing up, you'll find yourself on the ChatGPT 3.5 platform, an excellent starting point for experiencing AI-driven interactions. However, to explore the cutting-edge advancements and expanded capabilities, navigate to ChatGPT 4. This iteration represents a more sophisticated and evolved version of the AI, equipped with enhanced features and improved capabilities for diverse tasks. Its advanced algorithms promise a richer and more dynamic conversational experience, offering a glimpse into the vast potential that lies ahead for leveraging ChatGPT for financial gains. By transitioning from ChatGPT 3.5 to the more advanced ChatGPT 4, you'll gain access to an array of tools and functionalities that can significantly elevate your opportunities to monetize this AI marvel. The Secret Duo. Within the realm of ChatGPT 4 lies an exclusive treasure trove: plugins. These plugins hold the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential as a money-making powerhouse. Among these coveted tools are the CapCut and Canva plugins, two secret weapons that can revolutionize your ChatGPT experience. To harness the power of these game-changing plugins, follow these simple steps. Navigate to the Plugins Enabled section within ChatGPT 4, then click it to proceed to the plugin store. There, you'll uncover a world of possibilities waiting to be integrated into your ChatGPT interface. The CapCut plugin offers dynamic video editing capabilities, while the Canva plugin provides access to a wealth of design tools. With these plugins at your fingertips, you'll elevate your ChatGPT interactions to a whole new level, empowering you to craft engaging content and unlock avenues for monetization like never before. Idea generation. Engaging ChatGPT for idea generation within the lucrative Make Money Online niche is a strategic move, considering its immense popularity across the digital landscape. Command ChatGPT to explore and deliver innovative concepts, strategies, and untapped opportunities within this thriving domain. By prompting ChatGPT for Make Money Online ideas, you tap into its vast knowledge base and creative prowess, enabling it to generate unique and potentially profitable concepts. Given the widespread interest in this subject, ChatGPT can suggest diverse approaches for monetization, ranging from freelancing gigs and online courses to e-commerce ventures or innovative digital marketing tactics. Content creation. Utilize the CapCut plugin with ChatGPT's capabilities to craft compelling videos effortlessly. Instruct ChatGPT to generate scripts tailored for your audience, leveraging its content creation prowess. By integrating CapCut within ChatGPT, instruct the AI to weave engaging scripts rich in content and tailored for video production. This fusion enables ChatGPT to conceptualize, script, and subsequently transform these scripts into visually captivating videos using text overlays and effects. This powerful combination not only streamlines the video creation process, but also ensures the content is engaging and attention-grabbing. ChatGPT's ability to comprehend audience preferences, coupled with CapCut's video editing features, enables the creation of visually appealing, informative, and catchy videos. These videos, laden with text enhancements, promise to captivate your audience and bolster engagement, making your content stand out in the competitive online landscape. Setting up your channel. As you prepare to share your content, establishing a YouTube channel optimized for SEO is crucial. Start by selecting a channel name that encapsulates your focus on the Make Money Online niche while being catchy and memorable. Optimize your channel by incorporating relevant keywords in the channel name, description, and tags. Craft a compelling channel description that clearly outlines what viewers can expect from your content. Create a channel that delivers the message that your channel is about making money online right at the get-go. This will encourage them to browse your other content when they visit your channel. Remember, a well-optimized channel not only attracts more viewers, but also ensures your content ranks higher in YouTube's search results, maximizing your reach within the Make Money Online community. The money-making component. To monetize your content, leverage affiliate links from reputable platforms like HubSpot, Elementor, and ClickBank. Join the affiliate programs offered by these platforms to access unique referral links for their products or services. HubSpot's diverse marketing tools, Elementor's website building capabilities, and ClickBank's wide array of digital products offer lucrative opportunities. Apply to their affiliate programs, obtain personalized affiliate links, and strategically integrate them within your content. Craft compelling, value-driven content around these products or services, showcasing their benefits and functionalities. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Uploading your videos. The videos that will be created by ChatGPT for you are short-form videos. Request engaging, concise titles and descriptions that capture attention within the shorts format on YouTube. Once you have these, upload the shorts and ensure to include affiliate links strategically in the video description. ChatGPT can assist in crafting a compelling description that highlights the video's content and includes the necessary affiliate links seamlessly. Shorts, with their vertical format and brief, captivating content, enhance visibility and audience engagement. The combination of catchy titles, concise descriptions, and affiliate links embedded thoughtfully in the description maximizes your content's potential to attract viewers, drive engagement, and generate revenue through affiliate partnerships. Channel maintenance. Consistency in posting is key to gaining traction on your YouTube channel. Regular uploads create a reliable schedule for your audience, fostering anticipation and encouraging viewers to return for more content. Additionally, staying adaptable and responsive to trends within the Make Money Online niche is crucial. Keep an eye on emerging trends, viral topics, and popular keywords using tools like Google Trends or social media platforms. By staying consistent with your posting schedule and being agile in adapting to trends, you'll not only maintain viewer interest, but also attract new audiences. The Pivot Online verdict. Navigating the realm of making money online through platforms like YouTube demands a strategic approach and the utilization of available resources. We've explored the potential of leveraging ChatGPT, particularly ChatGPT 4's exclusive plugins, CapCut and Canva, for content creation and optimization. Moreover, setting up a YouTube channel optimized for SEO, utilizing affiliate links from reputable platforms, and repurposing content as shorts with ChatGPT's assistance can significantly enhance visibility and revenue potential. Consistency in posting and staying adaptable to trends within the Make Money Online niche are crucial elements for sustained growth and audience engagement. Remember, the journey to success in this space requires dedication, creativity, and an agile approach to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and keep evolving your strategies to achieve your goals in the ever-evolving landscape of making money online. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.